right, everybody. It's Kendale King, CPA, back again with another Know Now. So the Know Now series is to basically explain to everybody things that they might hear from a friend, from a professional, even on social media about specific things or even general things about business, finance, some type of step to help them within their journey, but they just really don't know how to do. They might have gotten the general know-how, but you're changing that know-how into a know-now. And so we did a previous video on LLCs and how to create that. So we're not what we're going to do. We're going to move into the statement of information. Now, this is important because a lot of companies and a lot of people don't tell you, especially on Twitter, is that you need to also have your statement of information file to keep your business in good standing. So the statement of information is literally just updating your information. Make sure that all of the information that they have on file with you is good. If you don't do this, you get fees, and they start, turns your business into not a good standing. And it's just all necessary when this process literally takes less than 10 minutes. So you're going to go to the sos.ca or whatever your state is .gov. We did that in the previous one. But yeah, you're going to go to that here. So you will see that for California, you're going to go into let me just do that again real quick, just for the posterity sake. So here, go to business, and then go to biz file online. Again, this is how you do it for California. Other states might be a little bit different. You'll get to this stage. Remember that you need to be logged in. So you need to create a login and sign up. Is actually here on this first page on how to file the statement of information, right underneath registering a business. So you click that. You'll move over into this business search. So you need to actually have the LLC created and registered before you can actually do this. And this gives you some information about what this search is doing. But so to be very privacy sensitive to people, I'm just going to do a business everybody knows, Pepsi. Again, mind you, all this information is out here anyway, but let's just put Pepsi Bottling Ventures LLC. Who knows what that is? Once you click it, you should be able to file a statement of information. So click that. So here's a lot of the questions that they ask. Again, it's very simple. Here it's just, again, telling you privacy. Look, your stuff gonna be out here. What you gonna do? So you're gonna select the, I have agreed and approve the terms. You're the next step. Put your name in. You're submitting this information. Boom. Next one, you really can't change this. If you want to change this, you have to do a different process. But this is the details that you're working with. This is the business you're working on. This is really for if you want to change any addresses. So here, if you had a change, you would make address changes in here. If there's any managers or members that you need to add or subtract, that is where you would add them here. So you put their name, you would put their address, and it would just continue there. For the agent for service, if you wanted to change that, you could. Again, here's a registered corporate agent, like I mentioned before, which is just an agent, a company that has registered with the state to be able to be a corporate agent for another business. But again, this could be you. If you want to change it to somebody else or a corporate agent, you can do that here. Type of business, if you want to change your type of business or update it, you can do that here. You can also opt in for email notifications. Here, they want to see who is the CEO of your business. Has that changed? If there is no CEO, then you can just move on to the next step. So here is this guy. You can move on. I believe you can also add others, but here they're just looking for CEO. Here they're asking if you have any labor judgments within this state, that you have anything that we need to consider legally, just because obviously that impacts how a state would look at you and how people do business with you. Here, review and sign. So again, that was really simple, real simple information. Is really honestly at the core of it, just trying to make sure you're updating your addresses. updating who owns the business, and who is, the CEO, or CFO, or anybody who's important to the business. They want to know that. And this is important, that you want to make sure your name is on there, because whenever you want to verify that you own the business, or you want to set up a bank account or anything like that, it's good to have this information on file so that you can always pull it up. All right, so you would just review, you would sign off, you would pay. It looks like this is free as well. I think it's usually about $20, but it's free now, so you'll be able to process that, and then there you go. Again, real simple. Don't really have to get some other person to do it. If you are a solopreneur, you're just trying to make sure you keep your dollars in your pockets. This is this series again is going to show you how to do some of these things that some companies are charging you hundreds to thousands of dollars to do. So there you go. Let me know what you think in the comments.